Here's interesting app called COLLART AI picture generator. So just tap to get it and just double click to install. And then yeah, you will have this app. And you know, there are a bunch of apps in this category where you can just generate all these AI images, AI art makers, object removals, instant background removals. Also, this app now just has this viral AI yearbook feature. Yeah, photo templates, remove background, retouch photos, make photo collage, AI portrait generator, all of these things you can just give it a try. And here's the idea. And then just tap next. You can just skip all of this. And then there is 3 days for free, then $40 for 6 months. And then yeah, here you have that. And yeah, so for example, yearbook, you can try it now. Create. Then you need to give access to your photos. Then you can just select selfies, for example. Okay, I just selected one selfie. I don't need to. In some apps, you need to upload like, wow. In some apps, you need to upload like 10 photos to be able to do that. But yeah, first time you can just get 5 unique photos just for like 60 cents, 59 cents. Or you can join COLLART Premium. So it's quite cheap option to get here. So here's again yearbook. And then you need to pay. So basically you can generate 1 photo for free actually. But then if you want to get 5 photos, you can only generate them for 60 cents, which is I think one of the cheapest offers on the market right now. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you can just select all the different styles with yearbook. And here you have not only yearbook, film and TV, like friends, creative, glass effects. So yeah, that's basically the idea.